after that, we can start to print a picture. We go to print, and we find out test print picture from here after we ripped, and we can start to print a picture to check if all the settings good. We set the margin by 30. And then we check the setting, color and white good, and the waiting, the color bar is good. Normal, no change. Deep model and fog type. High speed to write, we can choose by bad selection for check, because before we already did to left and to right, and the bad selection color offset. So we can start to do the print. So now start print. Also, we can do the little adjustment for the step for the bad selection here. Here no change because it's under printing. You can see now it's 0 for step and the bad selection for 10.5. So now we can see it print really fast. Print the white layer first and color layer first, then print the white. We can see it's not overlap. Have a good alignment. This for print under bad selection. Epson I3200 print head. So that means this have a good alignment. Not overlap to left, to right, to bottom, to top, or with good calibration. So this is all the procedure to do the calibration for the brand new the Focus Nebula Forge 2F DTF printer. We can see print out quality is not overlap for white layer and color layer. We have cut down a little bit edge from here because we can set the front lip to flooding overlap for minus 0.5 pixels to prevent the white ink layer overlap. So by this way we have good procedure and good alignment for the calibration. And here we can choose for pause or cancel the printing process. So we just for test the print, we can cancel the print. So as we did a good alignment, we have a good test print picture. And right now, if you are not print for a long time, you must fill the clean solution to the cap station and keep wait, close the software to make sure the print head, then the cap station surrounds with the print head. But if you want just go out for dinner for several hours, we need to open the flash from here, flash to be sure the flash is on. We open the flash here to make sure the print head can flash a little bit of ink out to prevent head clog. If we don't use the machine for 1 day or 2 days, we just need to do the maintenance job after must be teach you step by step. So this is all the procedure to do. But also if you print, you can also set some settings. For example, the white ink is leaking, the white ink is too much. We can go to the task setting here and we can cut ink. Here we can cut ink. We show you again, we go to right click the job, we go to task setting, and here we can cut ink. For example, the white ink I reduce by 50% or 80%. But this way you can reduce the ink amount for the white ink. But right now 80% or 85%, you can cut down the white ink. So by this way, if you print, so the white ink layer will be less. There will no leaking the white ink. But if you want to increase the white ink amount, you can do the spot channel from Photoshop, or increase the ink amount from RIP. You can go to the RIP. You can open the RIP and do the RIP setting for increase the white ink amount. So this is all the procedure for calibration and print for Focus Nebula 42F DTF printer. Any question, please ask the Focus support team for get the technical support. Thank you.